Mari. Serena, come here. Come here, Serena. Come here.
Like, fuck that. Sounds like a pedophile's voice.
I'm a pimp. I'm a pimp. I'm a pimp. I'm a pimp. I'm a pimp.
Killed brain cells right there. 5 of them.
It's okay. I'll live eventually. Mommy! May I help you? No. What do you want? You want some candy? You want candy? Oh, you're so cute. I'm a robot. I'm a robot. I'm a robot. I'm a robot.
You're scaring her. Look at her. She's like, is that Italia? It's a robot.
I'm a robot. Come here.
She's like,
Come here. We're best friends. BFF. BFF.
What's the helium? No, she was like, is that? Yeah. And like the faces she makes.
Taylana, come here, Taylana. Let me feel your belly, Taylana. Come here.
The baby's gonna be like that too. Is that Italia?
Oh my gosh.
You going to your appointment?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Are you going to your appointment? Don't laugh at my voice because I have a better voice than you, and I'm a pimp. Yeah. Just don't do it like me.
Dang, crush that. Oh.
Oh my gosh. What if my voice got stuck like this? Oh my gosh.
I don't know if your boyfriend would still love you. Aww.
I'm a pimp, nigga. I'm a pimp. Nigga, I'll hit you. Nigga, don't touch my face. I'll fuck you up, nigga. And the show is over.